video, we are going to see Chapter 2, Basic Algebra, Exercise 2.2, Part 3. Last video, we have learned inequalities involving absolute value in different forms. Now, we are going to see exercise sums. Just we recall the inequalities involving absolute value. Case 1. Modulus of x less than r if and only if minus r less than x less than r. Modulus of x less than r means x must lie between minus r and plus r. Case 2. Modulus of x greater than r if and only if x less than minus r or x greater than r when r is greater than or equal to 0. When x less than minus r means it goes up to minus infinity. Then we get minus infinity comma r one of the interval. When x greater than r means it goes up to plus infinity. Then we get another interval r comma infinity. Then we get x belongs to minus infinity comma r union r comma infinity. When modulus of x greater than r and r greater than or equal to 0 means x belongs to minus infinity comma r union r comma infinity. When modulus of x greater than r and r less than 0 means any x belongs to r will satisfy this inequality. So remember, modulus of x less than r means x value lie inside. Greater than means it lies outside. Before entering into the topic, let us boost our brain power. Here is the tough mathematical puzzle for you. Fill the boxes using 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. You can also repeat the numbers if required. The sum should be 30. Okay. So now what I am going to do, 15 and 9 I am going to consider. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 is 6. So first box I am filling with 6. Next 13 and 7. 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is also 6. Second box is 6. Next 9. 9 and 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. Then third box is 8. Next 7 and 1. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. Fourth box is 6. And the last box 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. Now we will add all these boxes. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. And the last box is 4. 26 plus 4 is 30. This is the logic to be used in order to achieve the solution for the particular puzzle. This question came in UPSC final exam. Now we are going to see exercise 2.2. First question, solve for x. Modulus of 3 minus x less than 7. We know that modulus of x less than r if and only if minus r less than x less than r. Here x value is 3 minus x and r value is 7. Then we get minus 7 less than 3 minus x less than 7. Now multiply by minus sign throughout the inequality. When we multiply or divide by a negative value throughout the inequality, if we have less than, then change it as greater than sign. If we have greater than sign, then change it as less than sign. Remember, when we multiply or divide by a negative value, if we have less than, then change it as greater than. If we have greater than, then change it as less than. Now we get 7 less than sign will become greater than 3 minus x. When we multiply with minus sign, we get x minus 3 less than will become greater than minus 7. Since here you have x minus 3. Now what I am going to do, adding 3 throughout the inequality. Then we get 7 plus 3 greater than x minus 3 plus 3 greater than minus 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10 greater than x minus 3 plus 3. Then minus 3 plus 3 will be cancelled. Then we get only x greater than minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. Now I am going to write in reverse order. Then we get minus 4 less than. When we are writing in the reverse order, greater than sign will become less than x less than 10. Now here the x value lies between minus 4 and 10. Second subdivision, modulus of x minus 10 less than minus 3. Modulus of x minus 10 less than minus 3. Modulus of x less than minus 3. Minus 10 when I am bringing it will become plus 10. Then I will get modulus of x less than minus 3 plus 10 is 7. We know that modulus of x less than r if and only if minus r less than x less than r. Here r value is 7 and x is x. Then we get minus 7 less than x less than 7. Question number 2. Solve 1 by modulus of 2x minus 1 less than 6 and express the solution using the interval notation. Here we have 1 by modulus of 2x minus 1 less than 6. Now I am going to write in this order 1 by 6 less than modulus of 2x minus 1. Now I am going to write in reverse order. Then we get modulus of 2x minus 1 greater than, less than sign will become greater than 1 by 6. When modulus of x greater than r, modulus of x greater than r, if and only if x less than minus r or x greater than r. In the place of x we have 2x minus 1. In the place of r we have 1 by 6. Then we get 2x minus 1 less than, in the place of r we are going to write 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6 or 2x minus 1 greater than 1 by 6. 2x less than minus 1 by 6, bring this minus 1, it will become plus 1. Then we get 2x less than, take LCM. Minus 1 plus 6 is 5. 5 by 6 we get. Then x is less than 5 by 12. Now next equation, 2x minus 1 greater than 1 by 6. 2x is greater than 1 by 6 plus 1. Next, take LCM. If you are taking LCM, 1 plus 6, that is 7 by 6. Then we get x is greater than 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Now see, the x value less than 5 by 12. Then means it will move up to negative infinity. Then we get minus infinity comma 5 by 12. Now this x value is greater than 7 by 12. That means it will move up to plus infinity. Then I will get the interval as 7 by 12 comma infinity. Since we have two interval, in between we have to write the union. Therefore x belongs to minus infinity comma 5 by 12 union 7 by 12 comma infinity. Question number 3. Solve minus 3 modulus x plus 5 less than or equal to minus 2 and graph the solution set in a number line. First we have to find the solution. Then we need to graph the solution set in a number line. Minus 3 modulus x plus 5 less than or equal to minus 2. Then we get minus 3 modulus of x less than or equal to minus 2 plus 5 will become minus 5. Then we get minus 3 modulus of x less than or equal to minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. Now I am going to multiply by minus sign throughout the inequality. Now I have less than or equal sign. Then we get greater than or equal to sign. 3 modulus x greater than or equal to 7. Then modulus x greater than or equal to 7 by 3. We know that modulus of x greater than or equal to r if and only if x is less than or equal to minus r or x is greater than or equal to r. Here x value is x only but r is 7 by 3. Then we get x less than or equal to minus 7 by 3 or x greater than or equal to 7 by 3. Since x is less than or equal to minus 7 by 3, it moves up to negative infinity. Then we get one of the interval minus infinity, comma, minus 7 by 3. Here x is greater than or equal to 7 by 3 means it moves up to plus infinity. Then we get 7 by 3, comma, infinity. Since it is less than or equal sign, I am using closed bracket. Same like that, greater than or equal sign is there, then I am using here also closed bracket. Since we have two intervals, in between we need to write union. Then x belongs to minus infinity, comma, minus 7 by 3, union 7 by 3, comma, infinity. Question number 4. Solve modulus of 5x minus 12 less than minus 2. Here r value is negative number. It is not at all possible to find the solution. In that case, you no need to calculate anything. Just you say there is no solution because modulus value is always greater than or equal to 0. So here we are getting no solution because absolute value cannot be negative. Absolute value cannot be negative because absolute value is always greater than or equal to 0. Question number 5. Solve 1 by 5 modulus of 10x minus 2 less than 1. Now I am going to write like this, 10x minus 2 less than 5. We know that modulus of x less than r if and only if minus r less than x less than r. Here x value is 10x minus 2, r is 5. Then we get minus 5 less than 10x minus 2 less than 5. Now I am going to add 2 throughout the inequality. Then we get minus 5 plus 2 less than 10x minus 2 plus 2 less than 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3 less than minus 2 and plus 2 will be cancelled. Then we get 10x less than 5 plus 2 is 7. Now I need to find only x value. Then we get minus 3 by 10 less than x less than 7 by 10. Hope you have understood this. Practice all the problems what I taught today. Do the given homework. We will meet you in the next session. Thank you.